What is an electricity insulator? Imagine a world where electricity flows freely and uncontrollably everywhere. It would be chaotic and dangerous. That's why insulators are so important in our power systems. They act like barriers that stop electric current from going where it shouldn't. Think of them as the walls that keep electricity in its proper place. When electricity travels through power lines, it needs support and protection. Insulators do this by holding up the wires and preventing current from leaking onto poles or touching other objects. This keeps everything safe and working smoothly. In the power grid, insulators are made from materials that resist electricity. Common choices are porcelain, glass, and modern polymers like silicone. Porcelain and glass have been used for a long time because they resist electricity well. But they can attract moisture, which makes them less effective when it rains or when humidity is high. Silicone insulators are now popular because they are lighter, water-repellent, and cheaper to produce. They can last many years if maintained properly. The shape of insulators is also important. High-voltage lines often use disc-shaped insulators with several discs stacked together. The more voltage they carry, the more discs are needed to prevent electrical leaks. For example, low-voltage lines might use just a few discs, while high-voltage lines can have up to 25 discs. This design helps insulators handle the intense electrical pressure and environmental challenges like wind, rain, and pollution. Maintaining insulators is a key part of keeping the power grid reliable. If an insulator fails, it can cause power outages, damage equipment, or even create safety hazards. That's why utility companies regularly inspect and replace damaged insulators. They also choose insulators that can withstand harsh weather conditions and pollution. Proper insulators ensure electricity flows safely from power plants to homes and businesses without interruption. In essence, an electricity insulator is a simple but vital material that keeps our electrical systems safe and efficient. It supports the wires, prevents leaks, and protects everyone from electric shocks. Without insulators, managing the flow of electricity on a large scale would be impossible. They are the silent guardians of the power grid, working behind the scenes to keep the lights on and our devices running smoothly.